Hi guys, welcome to Home Decorating with Liz. I am Liz and it's spring. Welcome to the first day of spring, you guys. Are you guys excited for spring? Well, I can't say that I am because I like the winter and the fall months, but hey, the flowers are blooming and everything's gonna be warming up, so we might as well endure it, right? Okay, today I am participating in a collaboration. It's an open collaboration challenge and it's called the Spring Decor DIY Challenge under $20. This challenge is being hosted by Forlisa from Forlisa and SHARON over at Creative Glam. Now what they have asked us to do is just to simply do a spring decor DIY and make it under $20. Cannot go over $20. So that sounds really simple, right? You can do any type of DIY that you want as long as it's spring related. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you today, my spring DIY, and I will have the links to Forlisa and SHARON's channel in my description box along with the playlist. Alright you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope that you enjoy watching my DIY, and if you do, please give me a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a part of the Home Decorating with Liz family. You guys have a great day and enjoy the video. Bye! Okay, the items that you will be needing for this DIY is this nice cute little cylinder vase that I got from the Dollar Tree. I've got a little bit of Mod Podge that I might use. I have some floral gem beads. Now this is optional. You can use it if you want. I may or may not use them. Then I have some extra fine glitter, which is silver. Then I have some pearls, self-adhesive pearls. I have some egg picks that I got from Dollar Tree. And I've got my little brush. I've got a square mirror. And I have some beautiful flowers, some pink flowers, and I have 4 bunches of them. Then I have some bling wrap, which I may or may not use. We'll see. And then, of course, my glue stick, glue gun. And then I may or may not use this either, the moss. These are moss stones, and there's 10 of them in the pack. So let's go ahead and jump right into this.